Hello and welcome back. It's been a while. The world's kind of gone upside down since the last time I hung out with you. But today, we're going to the racetrack. I got some stuff that I want to try out. Wow. I hate wearing this shit. Anyways, we're going up to Evergreen Speedway. I have some friends driving 240s, some Miatas. I got my stuff all charged up, and it's been so long since I've been to a drift event. It's been so long. I'm building a drift car so I can go drive eventually, but you'll see. I'll show you later in the video. It's a very, very special. It's like a Subaru 2.5 gen turbo rear-wheel drive. Yeah. Stay tuned. Let's check this shit out.
Was good, huh? Take you out back, Drake through the woods, huh? Thought I was weak, huh? You ain't see the work I put in all week, huh? Give me that, where the city at? Nitty gritty, this ain't gonna be pretty, Jack. Not afraid, get up out the way. Y'all used to hate, look at what you made. When it all goes down, I'ma run this town. Fire in my soul, got my eyes on the crown. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town, I won't die in this town. Yeah. Hey, don't die in this town. Yeah, get 'em up. I won't die in this town. Hold up, homie, wait a minute. Lately, y'all don't even pay no visits. I can still hear the hater critics saying he ain't gonna make it, is he? Lately, I developed laser vision. Yeah, I burn through people in their cruel intentions. Crazy, you tryna play me? Boy, you wouldn't even make the scrimmage. Get your ass up and pass up your limits. Got these new rappers looking vintage. All I really do is eat spinach, count money up and hang with pretty women. I was driven, yeah, I had the vision. Then Goon came along and made it vivid. Haters living cause we really living. I'm a freight train, you a Honda Civic. Hold up, wait, let me get specific. If you pick a...
Yep, having fun. That's how I charge my batteries. I don't want my car to light on fire. Alright, that was the first couple packs. Woo! Ow! Gotta fly it with some serious horsepower. Zach Farrar, Garrett, they all throwing up tons of smoke. There are so many people here. I got this guy on footage too! Woo! Love the cage! That's cool as fuck. Yeah, I love it here. It feels like a family. You haven't gone to a drift today. Definitely need to go to a drift. Don't be shy.
We can take this, buckle up. Boy, if you bad it, then double up. Remember your team when you hustle up. Don't make a move till you huddle up. I'm coming up, fuck is up. Looking for trouble, then knuckle up. I see through all of your cover-ups. You think that you gonna set me up? Good luck, break it down. Who at the top, I'ma bring them down. I will not stop till you laying down. Till I'm at the top and I'm gazing down. Shit ain't been the same since we came around. Since we became kings and became renowned. Since all of the truth started raining down. If you want that belt, better buckle down. Woo! Outside, outside, looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide. I ain't letting nobody stop me this time. With every single level that I reach and I climb, they ask, are you from outside, outside? Everything around me I create with my mind. Working too hard, I don't want no downtime. Put my team on, they gon' shine when I shine. You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. I can put fear in the devil. You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. We can take this outside, outside. Hey. Looking at the stars, staring with my...
Alright, there's one thing I gotta say. I'm out of breath. But I've been driving here for what, 3-4 years? And I swear to God, the drone is just as much fun as driving. I'm in every car, I'm on every car, I'm in between every car. It's just fucking awesome. Holy shit. What the fuck happened? What happened? His fucking whole chest is burnt. His hair, his beard.
Yeah.
Which car?
I don't know what car it is. It's definitely not my car.
It's the Methonal.
Yeah.
Tom's going to the hospital. Jesus Christ. There was a can of methanol and somehow it got ignited. And if you don't know much about methanol, you can't see the flame. So they have like 2nd degree burns, 3rd degree burns, blisters already. His beard is like, used to be from here and now it's all the way up here and it's curled. I really hope they're alright. Death Run crew is a really awesome crew. I don't wish that upon anybody. So, anyway, I have a couple packs left, so we're gonna get back out there. Everyone's alright. Nobody lost their vision. It's not worse than the fucking riots. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. I had a freaking blast. I gotta start doing that a lot more.